So let's take a look at this one. Add. Alright, I need all of you to click add from your page, okay, from your ecom. You click this. Okay, there are a few items come out. Okay, I would like to draw your attention to the second one from question bank. Okay, you just click this. Okay, there you go. You can see there's abundance of questions in my question bank. All right, you will have yours one. Okay, so let's say I would like to recycle some of the questions that I have in previous semesters. All right, it's very easy. I just have to tick the tiny boxes here. All right, just tick whatever or whichever questions that I would like to use. So I just tick it. Okay. All right. Anyway, close this. Let's go back to the previous page. Okay, I need you guys to click again. Click add. Okay, try this. A new question. All right. So you'll see a pop-up with a variety of question types here. Okay, you have multiple choice and true or false, matching kind of questions. You can ask students to write essay, drag and drop, and so on. Okay, so for instance, multiple choice. I think this would best for course like TITAS. Okay, as far as I concern, they use multiple choice questions a lot. Okay, and then maybe other content courses as well. Okay, so there's a lot of types here. Later on, I will just show all of you some of the common ones. Okay, all right, so now I need all of you to scroll down until the end. Can you see this one? Other. Okay, so you click this description. This is not a question, it's just a part that you can add in the question page. All right, at this description here, you can actually insert the instruction for the students. You can also upload Word file, audio record, audio, video, and so on. All right, so choose this one, add. Okay. All right, there you go. Okay, so at here, question name. Okay, it's up to you what is the name that you want. You just put whatever name that you want. Let's say I have part A, but in the end, in the real question page, the student will not be able to see all this thing. All right, because this is just for us to actually, easy for us to know which questions falls under which part, and then if we were to recycle or if we were to drag here and there, it's actually helps us a lot. All right, okay, so after that, the question text here. All right, you can have a look at this one. Can you see this one, the symbol here? So you click this symbol. Yeah, you can see a lot of icons here. Alright, the first one would be the Word file. Okay, you can upload a file here, Word file, and then you can also have like image, and then you can insert media. It's either in audio or video file. You can record, and then you also have this H5P, which you can actually design the questions using this tool. But I'm not going to go through H5P here. If not, after this, Madam Honey will have nothing to say. All right, so we just let the expert brief all of you. Okay, she's really good in it. Okay, so now I need you guys to click this one. All right, okay, so insert media. You can insert the URL link, video and audio. Okay, so let's try this out. Audio, click this. Okay, browse, choose file. All right, let's say I have a lot of audios here. Try this. So you can choose yours, all right, from your page. So try this. and then maybe I name it as recording 01. Upload the file. Okay, it takes some time. Alright, insert media. Okay, so you can see the audio file, it's here, okay, in the box here. Okay, let's try this out.
Business Results Second Edition, Intermediate.
Yeah, that's it. Alright, then after this, maybe you can insert instruction for the students. Answer all questions based on the recording and so on. Alright, and then maybe you can bold the keyword. Okay, something like this. And then you click Save Changes. Let's see what's going to be happen. Yeah, so you have the description start in here. Okay, then next, let's look at another time. Click it. Okay, choose a new question again. Okay, this time around, we try to build a questions. Okay, maybe we try this first, multiple choice. Click this, choose add. Alright, so again, you can put whatever name you want. Alright, let's say we name it as part A, question 1. Okay. Let's say I have something like this, which maybe this one, a shorter one. The speaker's intention is to, then I have blanks here, stop, then scroll down a bit, so you will see this one default mark, so you can set the mark. Alright, it's up to you. You want to have it 1 mark, 2 marks. Alright, and then scroll down, look at this one, 1 or multiple answers. You know, sometimes when you have like multiple choice questions, sometimes you will ask the students, you can tick more than 1 answers. Alright, so here you can choose this one, multiple answers allowed. Okay, if not, you just have 1 answer only. Alright, and then you can number the choices. Okay, like A, B, C, for example, like you have this question. The speaker's intention is to, let's say A, to inform, B, persuade, C, and so on. Okay, what I would advise you guys is later on when you have all the questions in the question page for the students, you will have questions. You will have the question 1, all right, as the first questions, and in question 2, question 3. Okay, all the questions will be listed out like this way. So best for you not to choose 1, 2, 3 anymore, because you know we don't want to make our students confused in the end. So you can choose other ways to number all the choices. All right. Okay, let's say choice 1. We have inform, and then choice 2 to persuade, and then choice 3 to report. Okay, then next, which is very important for the grade part. Okay, let's say this one. Choice 1, this is not the correct answer, but the second choice would be the correct answer. Then you have to change the grade here, 100%. If only from here 1 or multiple answers, you choose 1 answer only. If you choose multiple answers allowed, then you have to change the grade accordingly. Alright, and then okay, then we can also add something here at the feedback. Maybe you have a sentence like, so this is a wrong question, try harder. Alright, and then if they have the they have a correct answer. Bravo. And then choice 3, another wrong answer. You can have like, oops. Okay. But again, it depends on how you set up the quiz. If you still remember, if you do not let your students to view the feedback, so there's no point for you to key in all the feedback here. Okay. Alright, let's scroll down to the end. Okay, let's save changes. Alright, there you go. You have the questions here. So for this one, you can add, because this is part A, it falls under this part, so you can actually merge them into one page. It's very easy. You just have to point the cursor here and then drag it, and then just drag this to the top, and that's it. Alright, they falls under the same category. Okay, if you want to add another page, then you just click this. Okay, this one. Yeah, that's it. Okay, anyway, we just put it back here. Okay, cool. Alright, next, click add again. A new question. Let's try this. True or false? Okay. Okay, click add. Okay, again, you name the question. Maybe we try part B. Question 1. Okay, question text. True or false? Okay, the speakers. Well, when you key in or when you type out all the questions, you can actually, it's not necessary for you to type out everything. You can actually have everything saved in the Word format, and then after that you can just copy and paste into your eCampus here. Alright, so you might save a lot of time if like you are helping your friends or you're helping your course, you know, in building the quiz. Okay, so the speaker's main intention is to, let's say, persuade. Alright, maybe we can have instruction here. Decide whether the statement below is true or false. Again, you can bold keywords. Alright. Okay, so for the mark here, so you have to change it. Alright, if you decide to give the students 2 marks, then you change it. If 1, you just leave it there. Okay, scroll down. Okay, let's say this one, this statement, the speaker's main intention is to persuade. It's true. The correct answer is true. So at here, correct answer, you have to change it into from false to true. Okay, then you can provide feedback. Again, you have to check. Alright, if you said as students are not able to view the feedback, then you don't have to do anything here. So scroll down until the end, click Save Changes. There you go, you have part B here. Okay, next, click Add again. New question. Alright, we try this, matching. Add. Okay, maybe they are still fall under the same part. Part B, question 2, matching. Alright, so you can take a look at the question, something like this. Okay, I can have instruction like choose the best answer. Okay, and then maybe let's say I decide to have 2 questions over here, then I put 2 marks, 1 each, and I key in the question here. Again, the speaker's intention is to, okay, leave it blank, full stop. Alright, the correct answer for this one is persuade. Okay, and then another question. Perfume is a mixture of, then leave it blanks. Alright, full stop. Okay, then let's say we have the answer as essentials oil. Essential oils. Okay, then we can also have more answers or more choices for the students to choose. Maybe we have report. Okay, and then you can add more if you want. Alright, let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so you will have more questions that you can have, and then let's say these questions we have 3 choices for the students to choose. Or if you want more choices, you just type here. Okay, answer, you just type it out, whatever things that you want. Okay, and you can add up more. If you feel like 6 choices are not enough for them, then you just add more. Okay, if you feel like you want to make your students' life difficult, you can do so. Okay, but human don't do that. Alright, okay, alright, anyway, save the changes. Okay, so we drag these questions into part B. Alright, so now add again new question. We can try short answer. Alright, add. Okay, question name. Okay, let's say this is a new part C. Question 1. Okay, short answer, this will be something. Okay, you'll have something like this. Okay, let's say I have this one. What do I want to have it? Okay, the speaker's main intention again. It's just a sample, right? Intention is to, so I leave it blank here. Okay, then you have the mark here. And then let's say the correct answer is inform. Okay, then you can set the grade here, 100%. And then maybe at the same time, your students, they might come out with different answer, but the meaning is similar or the meaning is exactly the same. You can add up more answer here. Alright, maybe I have like tell. Okay, more or less the same. Okay, then you can have grade 100%. Then you can add up more. Alright. Okay, then just click save changes. Another one, you can also have this asterisk, okay, as a wildcard to match any of the characters. Alright, so let's say they have like to inform others, so you have something like this. You have the asterisk over here, and they have others. Alright, so it will consider as they got it correct as well. If they have like inform people, but the word inform, alright, if they spell it correctly, then they have marks over here. Okay, something like this. Alright, save changes. Okay, part C, and then maybe we can try one more. Add a new question. Try this one. Drag and drop into text. Okay, students always find this kind of question is interesting because they can play around with the button. Okay, click to add. Alright, question name, part D, Q1. Okay, let's say, okay, this one. Perfume is a mixture of maybe we leave this as a blank. Alright, you have to put double brackets. Okay, first blank, close it. Mixture of essential oils and distill. Oh no, sorry. Okay, another blank, second blank, and then full stop. Alright, then the default mark here, 2 marks. Okay, scroll down. For example, choice 1 here refers to the first blank. Alright, so you type the correct answer here. For example, we have essential oils. Okay, so group A, and then choice 2 belongs to the second blank here. So you type out the correct answer. You can have, I don't know, distilled water. Okay, you have group A, and then you can also have maybe we can have something like anything. Okay, flour. All right, and then we can also have mineral water or simply mineral. Okay, and then okay, something like this. All right, and then after that we change the group here. It's up to you whether you want to have all this thing falls on the same group or you want to make it into different group. Later I'll show you guys the difference afterwards. Maybe you cannot, it's hard for you to imagine what are the difference by having all the different groups. Okay, so we set this as group B, and then this one maybe group B as well, and then we can have more answer for the students like lives. Okay, I don't know. Alright, we just try. Doesn't really have to make sense. After all, this is just a sample. Okay, B. Alright, then scroll until the end, save changes. Okay, yeah, save changes. Okay, there you go. So we have 4 parts. So you can see that part A, I have description. You can also add description for all the parts. Alright, it's up to you. So here, these are all the marks that you set before. If you still remember the marks that we set, and then under the total of marks, everything is auto-generated here, 7. But for this one, maximum grade, you have to change it manually. Alright, since the total marks here is 7, then you can just change it into 7 here. Alright, save, click save. Okay, so let's take a look at the quiz together. You can check yours as well if you are trying out from your desktop, alright, or from your laptop. Okay, then we can scroll before this. Alright, if you look at here, your name here, right? This you have your own name, alright, from your page. So you can just click your own name here, and then you can actually switch the role as a student. So if you click students, then you will have a page exactly the same as your students. So you can feel how the students feel by using the page. Okay, you can always play around with all this. Alright, so anyway, let's go back to the previous page. Okay, let's scroll down until the end, week 8. Alright, because that's the place where I stored my quiz. Alright, click this one. Okay, alright, let's have a look of the quiz. So there you go. This will be the page for the students. Alright, this is how it's going to be like in your students page as well. So you have the recording, and then you have the instructions like answer all questions based on the recording above and so on. And then the student can just click this.
Business Results Second Edition.
Yeah, they listen until the end, then they mark the answers. Alright, the speaker's intention is to, then they can just choose. Alright, remember we choose A, B, C. Alright, and then next page. Okay, so this one, true or false kind of questions, something like this. Okay, you can take. And then this would be the different type. Perfume is a mixture of, then students can just click here. Alright, there are few choices for them to choose, so they just choose any of it. Okay, let's say we choose essential oils, and then this one we just leave it blank. Next page. Okay, this is short answer question. Alright, students have to type something out here. Okay, anything. And then next page, which is the last page. Okay, this will be the drag and drop one. Remember, when we set the group there, we set group A and group B. So students have to drag their answers into the blank here, into the box. Alright, by based on the color, okay, based on the shape as well. So for this gray ones, they have to drag into the gray blanks. Okay, something that they can play around. Okay, maybe we have this. Alright, then after that, students will have to click this, finish attempt. We can try. Okay, before they submit all, they can actually check. Alright, for example, first one, they have already answered, answer safe, answer safe. Alright, and the third one, remember, I just do only one, I just answer the first question, not the second one. So you will have something like incomplete answer. So students have to go back to the previous page and then answer, make sure they answer it. Alright, and the answer safe and so on. Alright, then submit all and finish. So they can also check from here as well, the quiz navigation. Okay. Alright. Submit all and finish, and then submit all and finish again. They can see their marks after that. Of course, if you make it open for the students. Alright. Okay. Alright.